Fix Call of Duty Black Ops III not launching, won't launch, stuck on loading. Cashark issue. Black Ops 3 won't start, keeps loading forever, or crashes on launch. Step 1. Restart your PC. Close Steam and Black Ops 3 completely. Restart your computer properly. Launch the game again after reboot. Step 2. Run the game as administrator. Right-click blackops3.exe, select Run as Administrator. Allow all permission requests from Windows. Step 3. Verify game files. Open Steam Library. Right-click Black Ops 3 Properties. Use Verify Integrity of Game Files. Step 4. Update graphics drivers. Open NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel software. Download and install latest GPU drivers. Restart the PC after installation. Step 5. Disable background apps. Close Discord, OBS, MSI Afterburner, and overlays. End unnecessary tasks in Task Manager. Turn off Xbox Game Bar temporarily. Step 6. Delete corrupted config files. Open Documents folder. Find Black Ops 3 config/settings folder. Delete damaged config files carefully. Step 7. Disable antivirus temporarily. Turn off antivirus protection briefly. Add Black Ops 3 folder to exclusions. Launch the game again for testing. Step 8. Install DirectX and Visual C++. Install latest DirectX runtime. Update Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables. Restart your computer afterward. Step 9. Disable full screen optimizations. Right-click blackops3.exe, Properties, open Compatibility tab, enable Disable full screen optimizations. Step 10. Reinstall Black Ops 3. Uninstall the game completely. Remove leftover files and cache folders. Install a fresh updated copy from Steam.